What do we have here? Is it time for a water break? Oh, hey guys. Hey Jobin, guys. Mr. Preston. Hi. Hey Jackson. Okay. Hey Miss Chloe. You taking a dip? Oh, hey Scout. Oh. Oh, don't splash me. Oh. Go in some water. Go in some water. Scout's looking for something. Well, hello Miss Chloe. Thanks for joining us. Hey Jackson. Hey Jobin. Hey King guys. Hi, let's go. Is that it? Are we done? Everybody's had a drink?